Good morning. The sun's shining so bright in my window right now. Welcome back to another vlog. I have a big day ahead of me, packing up my life again for what feels like the billionth time. If you guys don't know, I'm from New York, upstate New York, and I go to Michigan State University, and I'm moving back into my college apartment. So today's gonna be a day filled of packing and getting everything ready to move back. It's 7:30 right now. You guys know me, I'm always up. I have a doctor's appointment in an hour. I'm gonna go get ready and then grab some Starbucks. Hi, Charlie. Okay, I have my caffeine now. I'm obviously going to be bringing everything that I need for the summer, but all like my winter and fall things I'm going to keep here, and then when my parents come up to move me into my new apartment in August, they'll bring the rest of my winter things. I don't really know where to start, so I don't know. Let's just get to it. So these are what I usually pack my things in. I also have this big suitcase over here. I have a bunch of these bags, but I just ordered more. They're just the IKEA bags. They're huge, and you can buy them with zippers or without. I have both, but I just got some more of these. I definitely recommend getting these if you're like moving or, you know, going to college, anything. They're super durable. I'll link them below, but I can fit so much in here, so I love these. This is what I'll start packing with. I'm gonna start over here with these box organizers and some of my sweatshirts. I think I'm gonna do my closet a little differently and do the garbage bag like method so that I don't have to take everything off of the hangers, but I'll show you guys what I end up doing, and I'm gonna give you guys a little montage. Let's get to it. It's about 11:30 right now. I'm gonna make a protein smoothie, my favorite smoothie ever. I've made it before. I'll show you guys what I put in it. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's so yummy, chocolatey, peanut buttery goodness. And then I'm gonna go outside and tan and read for a while. All right, so what goes in it is 1 frozen banana, 2 dates, 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, 1 or 2 scoops of peanut butter, and then I pour some of this chocolate almond milk in, and I usually just put a little at first and then I blend. We don't have any spinach, but I usually will also put like some spinach in here because you just can't taste it and it's good for you. I've got my book. This is the book I'm currently reading. It's so good. My friend Anna recommended this to me and I'm loving it so far. This is the tanning oil that I use. I have some water and my smoothie. I'm ready to just relax for a little bit and lay out in the sun. I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. Hi you guys, so it's the next day now. I'm leaving for Michigan for my 7-hour car ride today. I still have some packing that I need to get done. It's like 8 a.m. right now. I'm probably gonna leave around like 12-ish today. My mom and I are driving up today in my car, and then my dad's driving up with the U-Haul tomorrow morning. So I plan on packing like all my big things and whatever in the U-Haul, and then like some bags of clothes and decorations and things that can fit in my car. I'm just gonna bring it with me so that tonight I can start unpacking if I want to. Last night I actually did a lot of packing off camera because the lighting is so bad in that room because it was so late. So I'll show you guys what I got done. I still have a decent amount. I'm so tired. I don't know how I'm gonna drive 7 hours. This is the current situation. We have stuff packed. This is what I was talking about when I said the garbage bag like method, so that you literally just rip the bag off and you can just hang your clothes right up and you don't need to take all that time. It literally saves so much time. And I'm gonna show you guys actually, so that just in case like it's not making sense, I can like walk you through it real quick, but it's pretty easy. Heading down into the basement because I have some stuff down here that's for my apartment. Okay, now I'll show you guys how to pack your clothes so you don't need to take them off the hanger. So open the garbage bag. You take all the clothes. Grab like a decent chunk, I guess. Depends on how big your garbage bag is. And then you just take it and you put it over the, you gotta kind of like work around it. I usually do this on the floor, like sliding it on from the floor. So then it should look like this. So this is where the hangers are. Then I just poke one hole with my finger and I kind of like, and then it's like that. And then you can obviously, kind of looks like that, and you can just grab it like that. And then I like to tuck these in, but you don't have to. And then I like tie it down here. And so then it looks like that. And it's so easy. Then you just put it up in your closet, rip off the garbage bag, good to go. Back there now. The trunk packed full, and then we have this U-Haul. My dad's gonna put the rest of this stuff in there tomorrow when he comes, just because he has to like pack it right. Road trip. She's got her work going on. I think I'm gonna put in my AirPods in. Okay, so I'm gonna start driving. My mom's doing some work. She's a teacher and she has like some Zoom calls and stuff, so I'm just gonna listen to music and drive. We have 7 hours to go. If you guys have any questions or anything about me moving back to Michigan, back to college, just anything you guys want to know in general, just let me know down in the comments, and then in my moving in video that I'll be filming once we get there, I'll answer questions in that video. So if you guys have anything, let me know down below. Make sure you guys are following me on all my social media so that we can be friends. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you want to see the moving in video. Subscribe so you don't miss my next video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.